This might look like a real ASMR video, but it's not. What you're actually watching was entirely generated using AI. And here's the crazy part. A TikTok account using this exact method gained millions of views in just 6 days. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how you can create these viral AI-generated ASMR videos step by step. But before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more powerful content creation secrets. Let's get started. First, you need the original prompt, which is in the description of this video. Then, wherever you see text in red color, just replace it with the name of the fruit or vegetable you want to use. Simply copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Next, you'll need a simple version of the prompt. Add the original fruit name, then replace it with a new fruit name, like bananas, mangoes, etc. You can change anything else you want after replacing the fruit. Once ChatGPT replies, copy the whole generated prompt. Now, open the Google Veo 3 model, paste the prompt there, then go to Settings and choose the Veo 3 Fast model, because the quality model charges 100 credits per clip, and we want to save credits to make more clips. Each clip costs 20 credits per generation, so I select Output Results, 1 to save even more credits. Now simply click the Generate button. It only takes a few seconds. With this method, you can create unlimited ideas for YouTube and TikTok Shorts. This is a fresh niche, so you can easily grow your channel fast. And here is the first video result. But before downloading, click the download button, then click on Upscale to 1080 pt to get high-quality videos for free. Okay, let's try another prompt. You just need to replace the name of the fruit or vegetable you want to create a video about. You can come up with your own idea in this format. This just gives you a basic idea of how to start these types of viral niches in a new style. For example, if you want to make a video about carrots, just change the red text to carrot, copy the full prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. It will instantly generate a new, custom prompt for you. You can repeat this same process with different items, like papaya, ginger, garlic, anything. Each time, you'll get a unique idea ready to turn into a short-form video. This is an easy way to create tons of content, even if you're just starting out. No need for complex editing or scripting. Just change the names and go. This style is fresh, it's fast, and it works. If you keep doing this daily, you'll have a full channel of creative, viral videos in no time. Here is the second video result. Like and subscribe for more.